So guys, I made this video because I wanted help with my Xbox Power Brick. Actually, I kind of lost my Xbox One, so I kind of used a 360. It's a 360. Well, Power Brick, right? You see here. See 360 power. If you see by the shape, you can tell this is a 360 Power Brick. What I found is that someone told me that it works, it fits in if you just cut that middle piece in here and you open up, put a screwdriver here and try to create a little bit of room, a little bit of space, and then you just go around the back of it and you know just plugged in, and that's it. So after it, I did not connect anything to this, but I use this cable here and other stuff like that. So I show you. Actually, I need kind of help because this may also help for those guys which have 360 power bricks and they're looking for Xbox One and they can't find it, and this can be actually cheaper. You can spend money you're going to buy another Xbox One brick, but yeah, you can use that. But I need help because once I turn it on, right, this is what it shows me. It shows me that, as you see here, it's kind of a orange light which shows me, so right, it's like it's solid orange light that's just stays there, right? So I don't know what I can do left, because I've seen a guy, did, even if I take it off, right, let's put this aside. Even if I take it off, still, see, still orange, solid. After some time, it turns itself off. That's one. I can disconnect from the Xbox One, but it still shows this freaking damn light. If someone can help me to to fix this, to tell me how can I get rid of this orange light here, please leave a comment below there. Leave a comment below, and I really appreciate your help and your methods to help me. So thank you for watching. As always, peace.